how I help you the team to approve the cross testing in the Google Play console. Check the application. This is the version 5.1.4 in the 5 version, and managing the track. Here you can check the track 5.11 version code, release time list, and release history is this. So tester, so we have the different group we have used, and finally within the next 15 days we have got the notification, the congratulations, you has been granted the Google Play production access. This is the way we have approved the production. So this is the educational application. So they have existing Facebook group and the community, so they can share their link to their community to use, and they use regularly. Actually they offer it the free exam for 1 month, so a student can take the free exam offer and the student use this. There is a 1 month 1 month costing is 49, so the student they offering the 20 people within $10. So this the free offer, so student have taken this offer and free use, getting the free use their application for test purpose and regularly the exam, and finally they have application successfully done. So simple application, the educational purpose, there has 10 exam completely free. They can regularly extra 10 exam they got offer, and the student also follow their rules and regularly free exam, and finally their app has been published successfully done. This is the app URL. So in this way they can success cross-play testing alpha. This is the hidden tricks for this approving the cross testing fast. In the Google Play console, you can comment me how have you approved your cross testing. Have you faced any issue? You can comment your issue. If I have solution, I can provide the details. Thank you.